Biboong.
Few moments later.
Duh, wetengku kok ngeleh ya. Tuku apa ya? Sing enak lan cepet. Iku apa ya kok kaya enak berkuah? Bu, tumbas baksone setunggal.
She ain't got no money, her clothes are kind of funny, her hair is kind of wild and free. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. She talks kind of lazy, and people say she's crazy, and her life's a mystery. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. There's something about her head on her mind. It's a feeling that's fine, and I just gotta say, hey.
Lokasine ning ngarep MTS Miftahul Falah utawa ngarepe Dr. Lutfi.
A few moments later.
Dagingnya empuk, bumbune krasa, guruhe pas, arep nyemil bar kok sekolah, pentol nggak mesti dadi pilihan sing pas. Kanca bingung